Hello there. You're welcome to the Mike and Weekly Forex Market Forecast and Update. We're looking at the EURUSD, the GBPUSD, the USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs in this video. But first, before we go into the video, I'd like to let you know that I offer free Forex trading signals. The signals are highly profitable and they will take your trading to the highest level of profitability. Now, how do you get them? The link to the signal, the link to my Telegram channel is in the description below. Go to the description below. You'll find the link there. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and visit the site, and it would lead you to the Telegram channel, and then you can join the channel and expect signals. Yes, the signals are highly profitable trading signals. This is not a bluff. You need to come and see for yourself. Come into the channel and you'll see for yourself. Very good signals that will help your trading. I only post signals that I take myself. So I do not post any signal that I do not take. I hope you understand that. So if I'm not taking a particular signal, I'll never post it. I only post signals that I'm taking. I only post trades that I'll take as well. So you know what that means. I know how profitable they are. That is why I do that. So you can join the Telegram channel. The link once again to the Telegram channel is in the description below. Go to the description below this video, copy the link, paste it in your browser, and use the Telegram channel and use the link and visit the site, and it will lead you to the Telegram channel. Join the channel and expect the signals. Yes. And also I offer account management service. I offer account management service as well, Forex account management service. So if you would like for me to manage your Forex account, you can go to the description below this video as well. Go to the description below this video. You will see the link to my direct Telegram contact, the link to my DM. Copy that link, paste it in your browser, and visit the site. And that link would direct you to my DM, and you can chat me up, right? You can chat me up and let me know that you're interested in the account management service. It is, when I trade for you, you definitely 100%, you definitely for sure, or definitely, you will definitely be profitable, right? You definitely be profitable when I trade for you. So if you would like to engage my Forex management account service, you can go to the description below, copy the link to my DM, paste it in your browser, visit the site and chat me up, and I would let you know how to go about it. Yeah, I'll let you know all the details you need to know and everything you have to know to come to join engage my account management service. And trust me, it's very profitable for you when you do so. Yeah, so or rather it will be very profitable for you when you do so. So I encourage you to go ahead and reach out to me, and let's talk about how the account management service goes. Now let's go into the business of the day. We're starting with the EURUSD currency pair. Now let's take a look at what the monthly looks like. Well, we've seen this crash, we've seen this break above this high over here, but how far is it going to go? Is it going to continue higher or just drop from here? I can't say for now. So let's go down to the weekly. We're seeing some bearish moves. We've been seeing that from here, from this pin bar, and we're still seeing the drops, right? So how far is it going to go? Or has it ended? Is it going to turn around from here? Well, we can't I can't say for now as well. So let's go to the daily time frame and look for trading opportunities. Now, what I will look out for is this: if price comes into this, let's say this zone, if price comes into the 1.8, if price comes into the 1.08293 zone and then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I will suggest that you go for a buy, right? If it meets your trading confirmation, go for a buy. Go for a one-to-one buy in that scenario. Go for a one-to-one buy, because in this scenario we've seen an extended move. If it happens, we've seen an extended move, and then we've seen price come into this zone, a major zone in the market, and then it has given us a bullish move. Then yeah, that might be a good sign to look for a buy. But I'll suggest you go for a one-to-one, because I am not currently clear about the trend of the market right now. Yes, I am not clear about the trend of the market, and I would not, I won't tell you that I'm clear if I'm not. So now let's go to this one. Another scenario: if price comes into the 1.16062 zone and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a sell, but go for a one-to-one sell. And don't forget, you should only go for a sell in this scenario, or go for a trade in this scenario, if it meets your own personal trading confirmation. So go for a sell, one-to-one sell, and that will be a good one, right? If price comes this high and then comes into that zone, this 1.16062 zone, and then gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then you can go for a sell, a one-to-one sell, and leave it there. So I think that will be all for Euro USD. So let's go to the GBP. Let's go to the GBPUSD currency pair. So first of all, to the monthly time frame. What's the monthly telling us? Well, we've seen price come into this zone in the market as well. The price has dropped off from that area. We've seen price come into that area. So is that area going to hold as a resistance again? Well, I'm not sure, but let's see. So let's go to the monthly time, weekly time frame. Something, I think it's fair to call this, I think we can call this a range. Yeah, we've seen the market ranging for some weeks now. But there's still a valid pin bar in play here. So let's go down to the daily and see what's up. If I'm to judge the trend of this market, what will I even call it? I don't think I want to judge the trend right now. I don't think I want to call it any particular trend in the moment. Right? I don't think I want to do that, because I'm not, it's not so clear. We've seen the bearish breakdown. We've seen, markets move. We've seen market break above this high, but we've also seen that market has not broken below, so easily we can say it's a bullish move. But we are seeing price struggling to break above the previous high. So I'm not just going to give a particular direction now. I'm not going to call it a particular direction rather. So let's see. Yeah, so my prediction will be this: if price comes down and comes into this 1.24344 zone, right, and then it gives a bullish close above that zone. If price gives a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest you go for a buy. Right, you can go for a buy, you can go for a one-to-one buy in this scenario if it meets your own personal trading confirmation. I hope you understand that, because that will be a sufficient extended move coupled with a good bullish move, right? A good bullish day close above that major zone in the market here, right? So now let's go to the other scenario. If I see price coming to this high, if price comes into this 1.34773 zone and then gives a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, right? Go for a sell, go for a one-to-one sell, right? Go for a one-to-one sell. Yeah, go for a one-to-one sell. Why a one-to-one sell? Well, I'm not clear about the trend, so just do one-to-one to be on the safe side. So I think that will be for the two scenarios. I think this zone is still very far off, so we're going to leave that one. So now let's go to the USDCHF currency pair. Now USDCHF has done something that quite aligns with my previous analysis. I said if price comes into this zone, this zone comes into this 0.84001 zone, then we should, expect, we might probably see some sell-offs, right? And I think that has begun to happen. I don't know how far it's going to go, but I think that has begun to happen. I made a prediction like that earlier, so that's still a prediction I would also still hold on to, even though it appears as though it has already taken place or is already in play. But that's a prediction I'll still make, that markets might see lower lows. The market might see lower lows after it has come into the zone. So that will be a prediction. But let's look at the monthly first. The monthly price is bearish, and then we've seen this recent crash, below this previous, what served as the market support for some months. You can see it right there, just to clarify it again. So we've seen that market broke below that. Yeah, so that's just what I wanted to point out. So now let's go to the weekly. What's happening? Well, I think a pin bar formed here, which might be a good sign concerning the prediction that price would fall off from here. That might be a good sign, but let's see. Let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, first we've seen price bounce, come into the zone, return, come into the zone and returned, and now it has broken below, and we've seen price return to that zone and then formed a pin bar, which might be a sign that it might sell off. So this is just a classic example of break of structure, break of support and then retest of that area, and then maybe wants to continue lower. That might be the case. So let's see. So now for this one, so what would be the prediction? The prediction that price will come in here and fall off, come into that 0.84001 zone is still very valid. I think I would still like to make that prediction rather. Yeah, I think I would still like to make that in case price still plays around that area this new week. So you might still look for entries if you have any system to get you into that kind of trade. So now let's go to the other scenarios. Now, because of how the chart is, I cannot see the other lower scenarios. So we have to go to the weekly to pick them out. So now in another scenario, if price, let me clear this out first so it will be clearer. Oops. Oh boy. Okay, let me see this. Yeah. So now in another scenario, if price drops from where it currently is and comes into the 0.77155 zone and then if price gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then we can go for a buy. But I would suggest that you go for a 1-to-1 and don't go for more than a 1-to-1, because this is obviously a very bearish market as of this moment. It's very bearish, so just leave it at a 1-to-1 buy. So now, but if price continues lower than that, and comes into the if price continues, let me return this and use another line here. So if price continues lower than that and then comes into this 0.70867, if price comes into that 0.70867 area and then gives a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Go for a 1-to-1 as well. Right? Don't go for more than a 1-to-1 so you don't overstay your welcome. And yeah, only take any of these scenarios. You should only take any of these scenarios if they meet your own personal trading confirmation. I hope you understand that. Yeah, if they meet your own personal trading confirmation, that's when you should only take them. So there's another minor thing I think I don't mind looking at. I think it's right here. Let me see. Should I look at this? Am I sure I should be showing you this? No. I don't want to do that. Let me not do that. Let me do this. In another scenario, if price pushes high and comes into this zone, this 0.87126 zone, and then gives a bearish day close below that zone, right? I'll suggest that you go for a sell. And in fact, this might be a good opportunity. If it happens, it might be another tail. It might be another leg of the trend, because this would be another better extended move to look for a sell from, you know what I mean? So if price comes into the zone and gives a bearish day close below that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a sell, right? Go for a sell. You can go for a 1-to-1 first, or you can hold till it gets to another zone of the market, maybe the 0.84001, or you can just hold indefinitely and see how far it's going to go. If it's going to continue lower and break the previous low and just continue lower, it might just be an opportunity to catch the next leg of the bearish move in the market. So that's another possibility right there. That's another scenario right there with the USDCHF. So now I think that's that for the USDCHF. So let's move on to the USDJPY. Don't forget, any of these scenarios I just mentioned, you should not take them if they do not line up with your own trading confirmation, right? If they do not line up with your own personal trading confirmation, do not take them. So now let's go to USDCHF. Now for the USDJPY rather. For the USDJPY, let's start with the monthly. USDJPY has been bullish for a long time, but we've seen some, will I say slowness? Maybe the market is slow in pushing higher, or maybe you just say it has not been pushing high as maybe expected or something like that. Maybe that's how I'll put it. I'll probably say it that way. So I'll probably like to say it that way, right? Let's go to the weekly. What's the weekly telling us? Well, same thing. Let's go down to the daily and look for opportunities now. So if price pushes high, if price pushes up and then comes into the 151.781 zone and then gives a bearish day close below that zone, right? If price gives a bearish day close below that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a sell, right? But I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one sell, just a one-to-one sell, because this is a very bullish market, right? And you don't want to be on the wrong side of the market, so you can just go for a one-to-one sell. This will be a good extended move to this 151.781 zone, with coupled with the fact that it will be at a major zone, and then a bearish day close, a good bearish day close at that major zone might be a good opportunity to sell the market. Just go for a one-to-one, and a one-to-one should be okay. So now let's move to the next scenario. Let's see if price continues low and comes into this 140.315 zone, right? Now, if price comes into this 140.315 zone and giving us a lot of price action, a lot of candles, maybe like 4, 3, 4, maybe like 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, about 3, 2, 3, 4 candles or more, and then comes into this 140.315 zone, then gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy, right? Make sure it always interacts with the zone. It always comes into that zone, right? So now if it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy, where you can go for a one-to-one buy. That's a one-to-one risk reward. You can go for a one-to-one risk reward buy, or you can go for more than a one-to-one. You can go for maybe a 2-to-1, or hold till it comes to the next major zone, or maybe the previous high, or the closest high rather. Or you can hold indefinitely and see how far market will go. You might possibly get the next leg of the market. If that scenario happens, you might catch the next leg of the market with that. So you can just hold it definitely and keep moving your stops as the market progresses. If it goes that high in the bullish, if it goes that high, right, in the bullish move, right, if that occurs. So don't forget that if any of the scenarios I just mentioned, you should not take them if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. I hope you understand that. This is very important. Do not take any trade if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. Also, for the USDCHF, I think I didn't mention earlier that maybe I forgot to mention that any of the trade scenarios I gave on this one, you should not take them if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. And that goes for every single analysis that I made, right? Do not take any of them if they do not meet your own personal trading confirmation. So that is for the analysis. Once again, I want to remind you of the free Forex trading signals that I give on the MyCan channel. The free Forex signals that I give on the MyCan channel, you can go ahead and join the MyCan channel, because I give free trading signals there, and the trading signals that I give will take your trading to the highest level of profitability. Yes, I mean what I'm talking about. The free trading signals that I give on the MyCan channel will take your trading to the highest level of profitability. So please go ahead and use the link in the description below. The link to the channel is in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and use the link and join the channel, right? Join the channel so you can be getting the signals. The signals, like I said, will take your trading take your trading profits to the highest level. Yeah, because the signals are very good ones. They are very good ones. And one thing you need to know is this: I do not take any trade. I do not post any signal if I'm not going to take that signal myself. I hope you understand that. And that's because of how much I know the signals are profitable, how profitable I know the signals are. So go ahead join the channel and expect the signals. Go to the description below this video, copy the link to the Telegram channel and join the Telegram channel. Copy the link to the Telegram channel, paste it in your browser, visit the site and join the Telegram channel. It will take you to the Telegram channel. Join the Telegram channel and expect the trading signals. Yeah, so I would also like to remind you once again that I offer account management service. So if you would like me to manage your trading account, let me know. Join. Go to the description below. Copy the link to my direct Telegram, my Telegram DM. Copy the link to my direct Telegram, paste it in your browser, and visit the site. The link will lead you to my DM on Telegram, and then you can chat me up and let me know that you would like for me to manage your forex trading account, right? And we talk about all the details that we need to talk about. Once again, my direct contact is in the description below. Yes, my direct Telegram contact is in the description below. My Telegram DM link is in the description below. Go to the description below, copy the link to my Telegram DM, my direct Telegram contact, copy the link, paste it in your browser and visit the site, and it will take you to my DM and you can chat me up and let me know what you want me to know, and let me know that you would like to engage my account management service, and then we can talk about all we need to talk about. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share this video. Thank you. Bye bye.